Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to blur a part in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently tried to edit something or making a project in Adobe Premiere Pro and somehow or some cases you might be want to blur a sensitive area in that particular video. For example, you can see I had a video clip and I want to add in my timeline. For example, you can see this is a video clip and you want to blur this ASUS VivoBook writing from your tired video. So how you can do or blur these things? It's really very easy and simple. First of all, let me remove the audio so it not destroy my this particular video. For example, you can see I'm in here and I want to remove this ASUS VivoBook from this video. So what you have to do, you need to find out the video effect. So we're going to choose the video effect and then we're going to click here, blur and sharpen. And then you're going to find here something say Gaussian blur. Simply hold it and bring over this video clip. Now you can see the left side, you're going to see the effect control, it's appear Gaussian blur. Might be somehow it's maybe not appear. For example, you are in here, you have to double click on your video clips and then go here, effect control, and you're going to find here Gaussian blur. Now here there is a three tools to choose the area and make it blur. I would like to choose the this 4 point, which is for me it's very useful. You can go with this create escape marks or create 4 point or choose draw the area you want. I'm going to with this create 4 point polygon marks. When you click over there, you're going to see a four circle a marks is appear in your video clip. Just hold it and bring the area you want. For example, I want to bring it here, and you can also reduce the size. For example, I want to choose this area only. You can easily choose the area you want. For example, I think it's I had choose the area successfully. Now by default this brightness is 0. If you want to make it blur this particular text, you can just simply hold your mouse and swipe left to right, and you're going to see it's going to be increased. Also, you're going to see in your timeline that this particular area is completely going to be blurred. If I make it 100%, you're going to see it's completely blurred. Also, you can type the number. For example, let me make it here 50%, and it's going to be looks like this. So within this way, you can easily blur a particular area in your Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.